Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
We're discussing something very important you found on a Facebook post from Grace Smith House.
Yes, the SelfCare Wheel. And again, I want the listeners to understand I'm focusing on this wheel and really trying to dissect it because I think it's really, really valuable life information, and not just for people going through a divorce. Anybody who's having a stressful time in their life, or even just, look, you know, the holiday season, kids, family, you're trying to strike that balance in your life. This self-care wheel has some really valuable information.
I would say so.
So we're going to go on to the next one that's professional. There's certain points that I thought were particularly relevant, especially for people going through a stressful divorce process. And here goes. Leave work at work. You know, it's funny because I always tell my associates and even the people that work at my office, we're so driven to get a result for our clients, and we care so deeply about the people we work with that sometimes you can internalize it a little too much. And I tell clients, look, you can't change the facts of the case. I know you want to help your client, but when you go home at night, try your best to compartmentalize it. Leave work at work. When you come back to work, get right back to it as hard as you can. But, you know, allow your mind some time to some downtime and to de-stress.
Excellent.
And certainly, you know, look, in the divorce process, I always suggest to clients the most important thing as you go through that process, your one constant for many of my clients is to preserve that profession you have. Preserve your way to protect and further your financial future, because in many ways that can be the key to everything. So listen, part of that is plan your professional future. What's your next career move? You should always be thinking about that at any point in your life.
Good advice this morning. This wheel is amazing. We'll continue next time we get together. This is something. In the meantime, to find out more about Dennis and his firm, please visit his website.
Yes, drvetranolaw.com.
Dennis, see you next time.
Good to see you, Joe.